Tell them where we're at.
I think it's Asheville, North Carolina. Somewhere in the mountains. I've never been here before.
Stand in front of the light so it's not weird. That's better.
I look like an angel of death. there's very big mountains and it's cool.
I'm getting ready.
There's trees on said mountains.
Hey. What was that? Oh, I thought that was Ellie. Bubble moisturizer. I just got hair in my mouth. Okay, I'll get back with you when I'm ready. I'm giving a tour of our house in Canton, North Carolina. Over here, we have a freaking rooster.
Wow.
Hey, is this enough pancakes? I want Trey.
Huh?
Trace. Trace, are you recording?
Yes.
Look, everybody, stop. What are you doing? Put it back. I'm making pancakes because I am the only woman in this house. I made those pancakes and this pancake, and I made like 2 more pancakes. I'm pretty good. I'm a pretty good pancake maker. Today, you can't see my face. On today's episode of Things Izzy's Cooking for her family, it's pancakes.
And she's cooking up funny jokes.
It's because I'm funny. Gangsta!
What?
Ellie came up with a song, so everyone listen.
What did it start with? The North.
It's not even what it started with. She started off with blue sky.
Oh, the blue skies in the night time upon the northern lights of the.
I don't know. MTV, welcome to my crib. I like this camera. Okay, so.
Ellie, did you fart
Okay.
again?
No, I never farted. Won't fart. But so out here is our front porch. There's roosters that you can hear. There's a creek, fire pit. Okay, now we're going inside. This is our what is this called, a living room? Yes. Okay, 3 couches, home sweet home, Smoky Mountains map. That's where we're gonna be today. Okay, this is Grant and Izzy's room. Yes, they have bald eagles, I guess. This is a mirror. Close. Okay. Now we're going across the hall. So, this is my mom and dad's room. Closet. Rug. Okay. This is the shower.
How do you explain what a shower is?
This is the camera that I'm recording for Izzy's vlog of a tour.
I look so pale in the camera. This is my favorite rug. Okay. Then, that's their closet. I don't know if I shared that. Then that's Izzy and Grant eating pancakes. Oh my god, look! You can see her in the mirror. Okay, then this is my room.
What is that noise?
What do I have this of the the world? Yep. Yes. All my supplies. Then we go here. Oh, a ram. Okay, then we have a bathroom, a shower.
Shut up because you can't hear this part. That's why I sit in
Oh, and this is our laundry room. It's so big. Okay. Then we have the big old kitchen.
Yeah.
And then our big old fridge. And then we walk outside. And there's the porch. And whatever. And there's roosters back there too. You look very distraught. And then this is breakfast.
Breakfast.
The vlog is done. Wait, can you guys like record yourself eating breakfast?
Vlog we're eating.
The tour is over.
This is my date. His name's Grant.
He's aped so much.
You're filming on the side of the road.
Who else is
That is insane.
I was in the mirror. Which you. Okay, that's all for now. Peace out. I say that Grant runs weird, and he thinks that I run weird.
Everyone runs weird is my point.
I mean, we're gonna run.
Come on, man. It's not like you're doing a track run either. You're just running playfully.
Okay.
I'm telling you, everyone looks stupid when they just run. 3, 2, 1.
I run normally.
Everyone looks
Vote
dumb
in
when
the
they
comments whose run looks weirder.
Everyone looks dumb when they run.
No.
See, look at how stupid she looks.
We are on. It's not focusing.
Ellie's getting
If only if it would focus. We're on hike number 1. It's called the Graveyard.
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the...
Hey guys,
What's going on?
we're taking a break. We made it. This is our first hike. And which one is this?
This is Upper Falls. We're at 5140 foot of elevation, hanging out.
We're sitting on a waterfall. Chilling. It's super pretty.
Oh wait.
Look how pretty.
Hold on, let me get them a higher view.
Okay.
Who wants a chocolate chip? Who wants a strawberry?
I have strawberry.
Okay.
Strawberry granola bar. Taste test. With yogurt on the outside of it. Yummy.
mountains growing like a breeze, country roads take me home to the place I belong.
So we're at hike number 2 and there's this waterfall and like, okay, down there. And you can go swimming, sleigh swimming. I didn't bring a swimsuit either, so guess I'm wearing white shorts.
I guess I'm wearing my pants.
We stood as steady as the stars in the woods, so happy-hearted in the warmth ran true inside these bones. As the old pine fell, we sang. Just to bless the morning.
Focusing? Post swim. Post
Cold plunge.
literally cold plunge. But it feels so good when you're out.
So I was standing right there getting my picture taken and I dropped my phone in the water.
And then what was your face?
And I did not get it. The other person did.
Actually like this.
Taking my picture.
Boom. 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 Fell there. One.
Right there. Wah.
It looks like we are in the clouds right now.
We are. This is Cloud City, USA.
Go surf.
I found it.
Go surfing.
On the clouds. I feel like this would be a place to go. I feel like this would be a good place to go skydiving. Like, you know?
And hit all the trees.
Yeah.
Dude, no, you go above them, man.
No, until you go into the bushes.
Look, oh, we're in the clouds.
I'm driving so I don't get angry.
Does that make sense? Oh, your rock looks really cool right now.
That just made me
Hello?
laugh a little bit.
I know. We're on Operation Find Energy Drink.
No, I don't.
Slay. I find drink. I see drink.
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 That's so good.
If there's anything I am right now, it's freezing cold. Right? Right.
No,
Freezing.
you're not happy. You're not full of love.
I am, but I'm also freezing cold. I literally have goosebumps and I'm teeth chattering
It's
cold.
not that bad. Yeah.
My whole butt is still wet from the waterfall. Every part of my bosom is soaked. If my mom were to see me right now, she'd call me a hoodlum because I'm wearing my hood and she hates that. But now we have to catch back up to Grant because he's up there. It's so cold. Does she look like a criminal? Let us know. I was telling my vlog how if my... Where'd you go? If my mom was to see me right now, she'd think I would be a hoodlum because I'm wearing my hood.
Oh yeah, she asked me if I looked like one.
Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. We found it. We got the goods. Show them what you're getting. Which one should I get?
Peach vibe.
I'm getting 2 for $4 peach mango green tea Celsius. Slay. Good morning and happy day 2, but technically 3, because we got here Friday night. We're getting ready for the day on the floor in front of the mirror. It's our last day. Slay. This serum I have from Bubble smells like Skyline crackers. Hey. If you were wondering, that's what it smells like. Okay, I was just gonna tell you that it's day 3 basically, but day 2 of hiking. And I will see y'all later. Bye. Taste test.
Hard crack. Do you need?
Can you?
Yeah. Do you want me to get started?
Little? Yeah.
Put your finger under.
Okay. Had a lot of air in it today.
No more coffee for Grant.
So yummy and delicious. Guys, this is my hair. It took me 20 minutes and I almost had a panic attack. But okay now. On to hike number 2 of the day, and I'm eating some yummy fruit snacks. Should I give them a haul and walk backwards? Can you hold it? I'm gonna eat my fruit snacks and walk backwards. Thought they were coming for me.
You're gonna get hit by Subaru out back.
These are my favorite fruit snacks. That's my nose. These are my favorite fruit snacks. I about fell backwards going down the hill. Hey vlog, what's up? What's happening today? We're eating some fruit snacks. traveling down to the next hike. Grant keeps moving it.
What? Okay.
You were close. Did you shove in it?
No.
Oh, barely. Let me see your other foot. Here, babe. Anyway. Grant just almost stepped in dog. Bleep!
Well, when Ellie yells poop, I think it means she has to. Is generally what that means.
The blue ones? Oh, so good.
All right, that's it. Time to hike.
Okay, gotta go, bye. We're gonna do a fit check on this bridge. Okay, dress from Garage, shoes are Hoka, and belt bag Lululemon, earrings TJ Maxx, Apple Watch. On Clouds, Target, Plato's Closet. I don't know, Amazon. Where are your sunglasses from? Aerie. That's our fit check. Oh, that is not tight enough. Grant's throwing rocks at us. Garage, Hoka's, sleigh, fit check.
North Face.
North Face backpack, a Walla water bottle. Grant's throwing rocks at us.
Stop.
What's the water doing?
Moving. That's why water towers are so wide.
Me and Ellie are on mission run away and see if they can find us.
We don't think they've noticed yet, so.
No. And we have this big old hill to go up, so wish us luck. We've been found. Now conquering hill number 2.
Triple falls.
Triple Falls. You wanna know why it's called Triple Falls? 3 waterfalls, 1 hike.
Bam.
Big, gigantic hill.
Look at the.
Angle, angle. Whoop.
That's how big the incline is.
This is like the second time I've seen it. Look how cute he is. Hey, Mr. Frog. Mr. Frog. Hey, Mr. Froggy. Say hi to the vlog. He won't focus. Say hi.
He wants to be free.
Hey vlog, we just got done with our hikes for the day and it was raining the whole time and you can't tell, but I'm soaking wet, but it's because I have a slick back. Here comes Grant. We were walking faster than everybody else, so we got to the car first. Tell them about our hikes.
Pretty cool. Bunch of waterfalls moving a bunch of gallons per minute. It was crazy.
He's soaked. You can't
Everything
tell 'cause
was
we're,
insane.
Like, a little, oh, you can see right here. See?
It was a great hike.
Great hike. And now we're just
Oh, they got the car for us.
bye.
Country roads take me home.
Do you guys like my hair? Grant took out my bun. She's looking waxy.
It's full of glue.
Let's see how Ellie's doing.
Probably farting it up back there.
Hello. She does keep farting and stinking up the old car.
I farted once.
Home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country roads.
Chocolate brownie extreme.
And then
I got the small chocolate brownie extreme in the medium. And what else was it? Grant, yours was the
Mini Butterfinger Blizzard.
I got the mini cookie dough, but that's all I've heard.
and then a mini Butterfinger. Did you have that one on there?
Yes.
So right now we should be at 2 minis, a small and a medium.
That's what I got.
Okay.
And then small hot fudge sundae with sprinkles.
Okay.
Reminds me of my home far away. Driving down the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday.